Hello everyone. Hi, this is Weltha. Hi you guys. Okay you guys, so today I'm going to try a new recipe that I was thinking about when I was at work today. And then when I was thinking about this recipe all day, so I want to try it, okay? It's been in my head all day at work, so today I just got home from work, took a shower and everything, and I'm going to try this recipe. So it's going to be some spicy chili chicken wings, okay? I'm gonna make some spicy chili chicken wings. This is this is the main ingredients that I'm gonna use for the recipe, okay? Hey, hold on, I don't know what's wrong with my spinner, just a minute. Okay, so here are the ingredients that we're gonna need, the main ingredients that I'm gonna use, you guys. All right, so this is gonna be spicy chili chicken wings, okay? And I'm gonna rub some of this on it, the chili topping, the chili seasoning. Okay you guys, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna take my jalapeno peppers, okay? I'm gonna add some of those to the oil. I'm gonna try and see if they get spicy. This is a tester. Testing out this recipe. So this is one of my new recipes that I'm testing. And then I'm going to add the chicken. Okay. So I'm going to add all those in there together. Because I want to see if the chicken is going to be spicy with the jalapeno peppers and chili oil. So let's see you guys. Alright, so we're going to let this cook and get crispy on that side, and then I'll flip it over. Okay. Alright you guys, I'll be back when it's crispy on one side, and then I'll flip it over, okay? Okay, so it calmed down a little bit, so I'm going to add some more jalapeno peppers. And these are sliced, and I took the seeds out, okay? So I just want to see if it's going to make the chicken spicy. This is a new recipe I'm testing, you guys, on camera. Okay. Alright. So I'll be back when it's crispy. Okay. Okay guys, so it's been about Okay guys, so it's been about 7 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to take out these, I'm going to flip it over. See, getting crispy. I'm surprised with the Okay guys, so the chicken wings are ready. They're nice and crispy. Look at that. Let me show you guys. Oops, sorry. And my jalapeno pepper, I kept it in so it could cook all the way and get all the spice from the peppers on the chicken. So let me show you. Okay, look at that. Oh, let me let you see, honey. I love this. Looking good. Look at that. See? Ooh, put that light on there. You see that chicken wing? Does that look good? Ooh, look at that. Nice and crispy. And hopefully the jalapeno made it spicy. Okay, so that's one. And the spicy chili powder, it should be spicy. Alright, here's the second one. spicy. All right. That's the third one. Nice and crispy. Okay. All right. Here's the last one. Only made 4. Okay. Still nice and crispy. Look at that. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna turn the stove off, you guys. Voila! It's all done, you guys. Okay. And okay, this is the chicken wings. And there you have it. You have some delicious chili chicken wings. Spicy chili chicken wings, you guys. See? Don't they look delicious? They're nice and crispy. And I tried one, you guys, and I was thinking that the jalapeno pepper was gonna make it, you know, putting it in the oil like that was gonna make it more spicy, but it didn't. Maybe I should have used another pepper, but the jalapeno pepper, it didn't make it really spicy. It just got a little, it made it a little bit spicy, but not much. So, but anyhow, the chicken wings are still delicious with the chili pepper seasoning that I added. They're still good, you guys. It's just that the I was thinking that the jalapeno pepper and the oil would make it more spicier, but it didn't. So you probably gotta use a more spicier pepper, maybe one of those ghost peppers or something. But anyhow, I still have some delicious wings, okay? And that's the wings, you guys. All right, hold on. And there you have it. You have some spicy chili chicken wings. There you have it. Delicious spicy chili chicken wings. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for trying my new recipe with me, and I will see you on the next one. But please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. And I will see you soon. See you guys. Okay guys, that's it. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Oh, and guys, make sure that you check out all of my playlists. I have all my videos organized in each section for you, so check them out. They're all organized by the recipes. So check out my playlists, okay? All right, thank you. And if you want loads of entertainment and music with your video while you're watching the recipe, check out all my shorts, because all of my shorts are exciting and interesting and just delicious recipes. So make sure you check out all of my shorts videos also. That's a lot of entertainment in my shorts. I love making my shorts, so check them out. Check out all of my shorts videos, you guys, okay? And have fun. See you later. Delicious. Spicy chili chicken wings.